Hi, welcome to the channel. We recently bought an L-shaped sofa and needed a cover for it. So I decided to scroll on Lazada or Shopee to look for a good, stretchable and yet affordable sofa cover and stumbled on this listing. As you know, it's quite expensive to buy fabric and get it to a tailor to get a customized sofa cover. So I purchased it online since I had vouchers and cashback for a discount. Alright, let's unbox it. I purchased 2 pieces of 2-seater, 1 piece of 1-seater, and a footstool cover. All of it has free pillow cover, which is great. The total purchase cost me 1,376 pesos or $25 including the shipping cost. The fabric is really soft and stretchable.
The next day.
I like the camel color, it's beautiful and affordable. I highly recommend it.